This is my first quick tutorial. No fancy introduction. You're not going to watch me unscrewing screws. We're diagnosing a Presto electric bread knife. The knives reciprocate. Why is one of them not moving? Well, we'll take a look inside. You remove a Phillips screw there. You remove a Phillips screw there. Open the cover. You see the motor. You see the reciprocating mechanism. And then the knives attached there. When we look at these cam lobes, you can see that it's worn on this side. Plastic coming off. This side is completely worn, and there were chunks of plastic everywhere I've already cleaned up. This side doesn't move. If you own one of these knives, and you like it the way I did, it only lasted 10 loaves, I recommend opening it up, put a little dab of grease in there carefully. Make sure it's lubricated. Maybe it'll last longer than mine.